Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix few websites are not loading in your Windows 10. So you just need to follow me. First of all, you need to go to your start menu, and after that click on the setting button. After click on setting, you have to go to network and internet. Now from your left side you will get a proxy option. So click over there and make sure that you have not put it in your manual proxy setup here. If you have put it already, then you have to turn off it. So it is done. Just minimize this window. Now go to your search menu over there, or you can click on this start button. So I will click on the search menu, and after that type over there ncpa.cpl. so don't worry with that, I will give you this command to my video description. After that press enter or click on this ncpa.cpl option. Once you have entered, you will get a new window. So you have to select your proper physical LAN card which you are using on your physical machine, and as you can see here, all of my virtual network adapter, and this one is my main physical adapter. Basically I use just one. So right click over there and go to properties, and after that you have to double click on IPv4 this option. So after that you have to check this option, which is use this following DNS server address. So for this DNS you have to put over there 8.8.8, and alternative DNS you have to put over there 8.8.4.4. After that click on OK. So you have to go to your start menu, or can click on the search bar. After that type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. After that you will get this new command prompt window. So now you have to put some command over there, which is called ipconfig space slash DNS. Now press enter from your keyboard. So once you have get this option output like successfully flushed the DNS recover caches, so you have to restart your computer. After that try once again, and it will fix your problem. So I hope this little tutorial help for you. If it is, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any type of question, then comment, and on the comment section I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.